Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. In today's video, we are gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Car Color Match app. So this is an application that is available in Google Play Store and also on iOS Store. So this is the website or kind of application in which they claim that you can earn up to £200 a day by simply solving little puzzles like matching different colored apps. And if we look at the ratings of this application, you will get to know that they have only 3.1 rating out of 10 on the Soft Sonic website. And if you scroll a little bit up, you might see 5.0 ratings at some website, but don't fall for this trap because this is based on only one review, as you can see in this one and on this website as well. And if we try to search for it, if it is a legit or scam on some other website on browser, I came across this website in which they have sort of completely elucidated what kind of stuff they want you to do for earning money. And in the end, I came to conclusion that the car color puzzle does not pay at all. Despite its flashy promises and tantalizing rewards, the app is yet another cleverly designed advertising trap. So in the end, they have given simple description. So this application is basically full of ads, and this is how they're earning even a lot, even in millions of dollars, by just simply trapping people. You can see like it has 5 million plus downloads on the Google Play application, and this is not legit application to earn money. And if we try to look for the creator of this app, it is Mohanad Ltd YM, and this company has only created one other application, which is also a red flag. So in conclusion, I would say that you should not invest time in using these kind of applications and try to do the research on your own. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.